Live Caption on the Samsung Galaxy S26 helps you read spoken audio from videos, calls, and other supported media directly on your screen. Hello everyone and welcome to Pinoy Tech Tips. In this video, you'll learn how to turn it on, customize caption language, size, style, expressive captions, and call caption options so captions are easier to read and use. So, let's get started. Swipe up from the home screen to open the apps tray, then tap Settings. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Hearing Enhancements. Next, tap Live Caption. Tap the switch next to Use Live Caption to turn the feature on. Read the feature overview, then tap OK to confirm. Once enabled, Live Caption detects speech on your phone and automatically generates captions on the screen. To configure the feature, scroll down to the Settings section, then tap Languages. Here, you'll see the available caption languages. By default, English US is selected. To add another language, tap Add a Language. Find your preferred language from the list, then tap the download icon next to it. Wait for the download to finish, then follow the on-screen instructions to add and set your language as default. After setting the language, return to the Live Caption menu. Next, tap Caption Preferences. Turn on Show Captions to display captions on your device. Below the Show Captions toggle, tap Caption Size and Style. Tap Text Size, then choose your preferred caption size. You can select very small, small, normal, large, or very large depending on your viewing needs. Next, tap Caption Style. Choose from the available styles, including default, white on black, black on white, yellow on black, and yellow on blue. To create your own style, tap Custom. Under Custom Options, you can change the font family, text color, text opacity, edge type, and background color. Use the preview at the top of the screen to check how your captions will look before choosing a style. After adjusting the caption size and style, return to the Caption Preferences menu. Tap More Options. To change the default caption language, tap Language, then choose your preferred language from the drop-down menu. After setting the language, return to the Live Caption menu. To make captions more detailed, turn on expressive captions. You can also manage additional expressive caption options, including text formatting, sound labels, speech emotion, and lengthened words. Keep in mind that some expressive caption features may only be available in selected regions, including the United States. After configuring expressive captions, return to the Live Caption Settings menu. If you don't want profane words to appear in captions, turn on Hide Profanity. When enabled, profanity will be replaced with asterisks. You can also turn on Live Caption in Volume Control if you want quick access to Live Caption from the volume panel. Under Live Caption in Calls, tap Caption Calls. Choose how you want to use captions during calls. You can set it to Ask every time, always, or off. If you want typed responses to be read aloud to the other caller using speech services, turn on Type Responses during calls. Otherwise, keep this option turned off. Now that Live Caption is configured, you can test how it works. Open any supported video or media, then play it to see if captions appear on the screen. If the captions are too small, hard to read, or not styled the way you want, return to the Live Caption Settings menu and adjust the size, language, or caption style. Keep in mind that Live Caption may use more battery power, so turning it off is recommended when your phone is running low on battery. And that's how to set up and customize Live Caption on the Samsung Galaxy S26. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other Galaxy S26 tutorials for more useful accessibility and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this.